A failing SSD can cause slow performance, crashes, file corruption, and even data loss. In this video, I'm going to show you several ways to check your SSD's health in Windows. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel and not yet subscribed, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to check if your SSD is failing, you have to stick with me to the end, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you warning signs that shows your SSD may be failing and what to do, okay? So to get started, the first step you're going to take is to right click on the start, and then we click on settings. So at the settings, you're going to click on system, and then at the right pane of the system, you're going to click on storage. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps, okay? So at the storage, I'm going to scroll down, and then I'll click on advanced storage settings. So I'm going to click on disk and volumes. So this is my SSD, okay? I'm going to click on the properties of my SSD. And then these are the details of my SSD, okay? And then this is the status, is online. And the drive health. So these are what we are going to check now, the drive health, okay? So the estimated remaining life is 68%, okay? And the available spare is 100%. And the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius, meaning the SSD is running at a normal temperature, okay? If it's above 70 going to 80, meaning the SSD is hot or is not running at the normal temperature, okay? So you have to check all these things. So this is the first step to check your SSD's health, okay? So let me close this. The second step you're going to use is command prompt. So I'm going to click on the search, then I'll right click the command prompt and then run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps. And then the command to check your SSD status or the health is wmic space disk drive space get status, okay? Then I'll press on the enter key and it's giving me the status is okay, and I don't have any issue with my SSD drive. The SSD is fine, okay? But this method provides only a basic health check. It provides only a basic health check, okay? So let me take you through the third step to take, which is the PowerShell. So I'm going to close the command prompt, then I'm going to click on the search, then I'll right click on the PowerShell, then I'll run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps. Okay, so the command to check your health in PowerShell is get space physical disk, okay? Then I'll press on the enter key on the keyboard. So these are the details provided, okay? And the friendly name, that's the name of my SSD, okay? And this is the serial number of the SSD, and the media type is SSD, okay? The campo is false, and the operational status is okay, and the health status is okay, meaning I don't have any issue with my SSD, okay? But at the health status, if you see something like unhealthy, meaning you have to start thinking of backing up your important files or documents, okay? So this is how to check if your SSD is healthy or not, okay? So now let me show you the warning signs that you have to take note if your SSD may be failing or not. So let me bring my whiteboard. Then I'll show you the warning signs to take note of if your SSD is failing, okay? Okay, so the first warning sign you have to take note of is frequent system freezes. So if your PC or your machine keeps freezing a lot, then you have to take note that it might be the SSD. It's failing, okay? And then the second warning sign you have to take note of is unexpected crashes or blue screens. So if you're working on your system, all of a sudden, blue screen, it crashes, you have to take note that the SSD may be failing, okay? And the third sign you have to take note of, file becoming corrupted. So if your file keeps corrupting, any file you have on your PC, it keeps corrupting. Your files is becoming corrupted, then your SSD may be failing, okay? Then the fourth sign is programs start taking much longer time to open. Your programs are taking much longer time to open. That means your SSD may be failing, okay? So you have to check all these signs, okay? And the fifth sign is read and write error on the SSD, meaning it's failing. So you have to take notice of that one as well. SSD disappearing from Windows occasionally. So if your SSD will be there, then it will go off. You don't see the SSD there, meaning your drive may be failing, okay? The seventh sign is Windows is failing to boot. So if your Windows is not booting up, or it doesn't boot, or is failing to boot, you have to take note that your SSD may be failing. Okay, and the last sign to take note is drive suddenly switch to read-only mode. So if you have your SSD drive and it switches to read-only mode, so if I open my File Explorer and then I go to this PC, and then all of a sudden is the drive C or the drive D are sent to read-only mode, you have to quickly take note that your SSD may be failing. Okay, so you have to start thinking of what to do. So what to do is backup important files immediately. Okay, you have to start backing up your important files immediately before the SSD fails. Okay, and then you replace the SSD if health warnings continue or error increases. So these are the warning signs to take note if your SSD is failing. Okay, and these are what to do immediately you see those warning signs. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.